Okay, hello everyone. This is Iris from Henghua Factory. Now today it's my turn to stay here to share more information of our factory and our hot sealing hose crimping machines with you. Okay, let's start. Okay, this model is our okay here. And this model is our hot sealing model, our P52 hose crimping machine. This model sells quite well in our European markets. You can see the operation of this model is very easy. You can see there are only two buttons in the control panel. Here you can see. So you can imagine how easy if you operate this machine.